Good morning, student. Now we will solve the exercise 1.1. In previous class, I gave you homework question number 1 and 3. I think you solved it. In question number 3, if you have doubt, I am reading and explain you. An army contingent of 616 members is to be marched behind in army band of 32 members. It means here is 616 member. A is equal to 616 member and 32 member in one group. And that will be if the two group are marched in the same number of column. And what is the maximum number of column? This is A 616 and B is 32, and you have to divide and find the value of SCF. You have to solve until the remainder will 0. Question number 2. So that the positive odd integers is in form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Mean positive integer 6 plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. We have to show that any positive odd integers, mean odd integers always in form of 6q plus 1 where q is some integer. Q is some integers. It is your question. It means 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. These are the expression of odd integers. Mean odd integers can be expressed only 6q plus 1 for this question. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Odd number are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, which leave remainder 1. It can be solved by two methods. This depends on you. First, if 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are odd number, then we have to let A be any positive integers, then here is B. A is positive integers, then A can be expressed in what form? A is equal to, BQ plus R, and R is greater or equal to 0 but less than B. Here is value of B is 6. It means B taking B is equal to 6. Then what is R? R is greater or equal to 0 but less than 6. If A 6q plus 1 means we have to express A is equal to BQ plus R, B is 6 because we have to express 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. And then the value of A R 6q, here is remainder 0 plus 0 need not to write, 6q plus 1 remainder is 1, 6q plus 2 remainder is 2, 6q plus 3 remainder is 3, 6q plus 4 remainder is 4, 6q plus 5 remainder is 5, and 6q plus 6 no, because R is less than 6. First part, this one, A is equal to 6q. It is even number or odd number? It is even number. 6q is even number. Why? This is equal to 2 into q. 2 into bracket 3q, and this 3q we can express in what form? 2m, or we can say there are two methods. 6q 6 is even number. Here is 2m means here is 2m, and now other number will be, and then the remaining one, then other number can be expressed in what form? This is 6q plus 1, 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 1 is equal to, what is this, 2 into 3q plus 1 is equal to 2m plus 1. This is even number, here is 1, remainder is 1, odd number. And here is again a, 6q plus 2, and what is this, 6q plus 2, common number is 2, 3q plus 1, it means 2m. This is even number, odd number, even number. When we classify, then automatically alternate number will be even or odd. If start from even, then odd, then even, then odd, then even, then odd. And then a is equal to 6q plus 3. This we can write 2, 6q plus 2 plus 1, and this is 6q plus 2. 6q plus 2, we write in what form? This 6q plus 2 in form of 2m, or we can write 2 is common, 6q plus 3q plus 1 plus here is 1. We can write 2m plus 1. This is odd, this is odd. And again, a is equal to 6q plus 4. What is common? 2 common. 3q plus 2. And this is in form of 2m. And now what is again? A is equal to 6q plus 5, and then 5 we can take 4 plus 1, 6q plus 4 plus 1, and here is what is common? 2 common, 3q plus 2 and plus 1, it is equal to 2m plus 1. This is odd number. 2m, 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 even number, therefore 2m plus 1, 2m plus 1, 2m plus in odd number. Then this is 2m, means 6q, and this is 2m, 6q plus 1, 2, 6q plus 2, this is even number, this is odd number, this is even number, this is odd number, this is even number, this is odd number. You can write direct 6q, and this is 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 2 are even number. Therefore 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are odd number. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are odd number. It is your answer. Or you can write also in short form, or from here, from the value this, or you can write in short step. After this you can write also, or 6q, but 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 are even number. Therefore 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are odd number. You can write also in this way, but it is better way to write. It will clear your point, because when we go through some difficult question, then you have to know about this step. If you will go direct, no problem, but concept will not clear to you. And now move to question number 4th. Question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show the square of any positive integers. Here is lemma because one statement is already proved, means A is equal to BQ plus R, but we have to prove another statement which is the square of any positive integers. We have to prove the square of any positive integers is in form of 3m or 3m plus 1. It means this we have to prove, but A is equal to BQ plus R is already we have. And in form of square 3m and 3m plus 1, where m is the square of. If then let what is A be any positive integers. A is any positive integers. So what is the value of, we have to express in 3m plus, we have to express in form 3m plus 1 square. So that means we have to let B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. If A be the positive integers, the square can be expressed. The square of a number will be in form of which one? 3m and 3m plus 1. If the square of this of a number is in form of, can be expressed, square of number is 3m or 3m plus 1. If we want to express the square of number in form of 3m and 3m plus 1, then B is equal to 3. Sorry, B is equal to 3. Then R is equal to greater or equal to 0 but less than 3. This point. And then the value of A, R, which one? Here is B. Remainder is, what do you know? A is equal to BQ plus R. The number is B is equal to 3 and this is Q and remainder is 0. 0 need not to write. And then remainder is 3Q. What is the remainder? 1. And then 3Q plus remainder is 2. R is equal to 0 or greater than 0 but less than 3. So it means A is equal to BQ plus R. So it means B is 3, Q plus R. R is 0. Because the value of R is 0. And 3Q plus R is 1. Means here is value of R is 0, 1, 2. This is the values of A. Then A is equal to 3Q. And what we have to do? Square of A. A square is equal to 3Q square. Open bracket. Square of 3. 9. Square of 9. Or Q. This is Q square. Can we write? 3Q whole square is equal to 9Q square in form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Yes, if we take 3, take outside, not common. What is that now? 3Q square, and this 3Q square we have to let m. It means here we have to write because m equal to 3Q square, which is compulsory to write. We have to write. But there is a value 3Q square which is equal to x or m. It means square of a number is equal to 3m. For the first case, this is the first case. First case, when R is equal to 0, when R is equal to 1, then A is equal to 3Q plus 1. And then squaring, A square is equal to 3Q plus 1 whole square. And now open bracket. We have to apply identity. This is R is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. A plus B whole square. Apply it. You know it very well. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square means 3Q square plus B square 1 square plus 2AB, 2 into 3Q into 1, or we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. You can write in any form. Here is 3 square, here is square of 3, 9, here is square of Q square, 9Q square plus 1 square is 1 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 and q, and we can write in what form? 6q square, 9q square plus में 6q plus 1. We can write in this form. And what is the common in between these two? Common. Here is common is 3. So what we can write? 3 common. What is left? 3 is common in between these two terms. 3 is common. So what is left? 3 q square plus में 2 q. 3 is common. 3 3 is 9 q square plus 3 2 is 6q plus 1. And which is equal to 3m plus 1. It is, that means here is value of m is changed. Here is m 3q square and here is m, because m is equal to 3q square plus में 2q. M is changed. And you can, in short form, you can reduce one or two terms. And if when r is equal to 1, then a square is equal to 3m plus 1. Means a square first is in form of 3m and a square is in form of 3m plus 1. And now again when r is equal to 2, r is equal to 2. When r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2, 3q plus 2, this one. And now squaring on both sides, a square 3q plus 2 whole square. Here is a plus b whole square, means 3q square plus b square 2 square plus 2a. What is a? 3q. What is b? 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab. And now this will be 3 square 9. Here is q square plus 2 square is 4. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 plus 12q. And now we have to write in form 9q square plus में 12q plus we have to break 4. Here is 9q square plus 12q plus 4. 4 we can write 3 plus 1. And now what is the common in between these three terms? 3 is common. What is left? 3q square plus 3 is common, then 4q. And what is this? 1 is plus 1. And this is m. 3m plus 1. There, because m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. It means value of m will change in each and every condition. Each and every step, each and every condition, the value of m will change. In first case, when we take 3q, it was in form of 3m. In second case, check the previous one, 3m plus 1. In this case, is square of a number is also 3m plus 1. It means square of a number. Therefore, square of a number can be expressed in form of 3m plus 1. It means square of a number can be expressed first condition when r is equal to 0 is 3m, when r is equal to 1 3m plus 1, and r is equal to 2 3m plus 1. Means square of a number can be expressed in 3m or 3m plus 1. First squaring on both sides and apply formula. This is applicable for cubic also, the same condition, and you have to cubic yourself try, but I am just giving some hint, and last question you to do yourself. Now question number 5. Using Euclid division lemma to show the cube of any positive. In previous question, the square of any positive means first we find the value of a. Yeah, a can express in how many terms or in form, and then squaring on both sides we applied for that. Here is first we have to find out the values, possible values of a. After finding the possible values of a, we have to cube it, and here is in form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. It means the cube of a number, let A be same, let it be any positive integers, same question, integers. Then the cube of A is in form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Here is B, we can take 9, but it make more calculation and it is difficult for you. So it means what the possible values we have to take B. B is generally is according to this 9. You can take 9. But to reduce the calculation, what the possible values of B means, I am doing the cube of a number. 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27. 27 is multiple of 9. Yes or no? Yes. 27 is always multiple of 9. So it is not compulsory to take B is equal to 9. We can assume or we can take for this question B is equal to 3. So that means in form of, therefore then A is equal to BQ plus R, and possible values of R is this, you know, I think very well, very well. Here is R. Then what is this? B is equal to 3. Then possible values of A. Then A remainder will be R. R will be 0 or greater than 0, less than 1 means 3, 1 and 2. Possible remainder will be 2, 1, 0. Here is B is 3, then the R 0 greater or equal to 0 but less than 3. R maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2. Then the value of A or A can be expressed. R value of A will be, possible value of A is first 3Q plus A 3, B is 3, Q plus 0, 0 need not to write. And here is, here again 3Q plus 1, here again 3Q plus 2, 3Q plus 3, yes or no? No, because this value is always less than this 3, here is remainder is always less than this one, but both are equal, it is wrong. And now we have to do Q, and now you do yourself after this. I am solving the last part. First, when R is equal to 0, then A is equal to 3Q and cubic on both sides. 3Q ka whole cube, cubic on, you have to write cubic on both sides. Then you find yourself in form of this one. And now second question, you solve yourself. And then when R is equal to 1, then A is equal to 3Q plus 1, cubic on both sides. A cube is equal to 3Q plus 1 whole cube, and apply A plus B whole cube, and you have to solve yourself. Try these two steps, you have to do yourself. And now solving this one, 3Q plus 1, 2. When R is equal to 3, then A is equal to 3Q plus 2, cubic on both sides. A cube is equal to 3Q plus 2 whole cube. Can you tell me the identities? A plus B whole cube. Tell me the identities of A plus B whole cube. Please. A plus B whole cube means A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. I think it is your formula. Now here is A cube 3Q square cube plus B cube 2 cube is 8. 2 cube A cube plus b cube plus 3a square. What is a square? Here is a, here is b. A square 3q square into b. What is b? 2 plus 3. What is a? A is 3q. Bracket b square. B is 2 square. And now open it. 3 cube. You have to cube of 3 and cube of cube. 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 27. And cube of cube. Cube. Plus 2 cube is equal to 8. Plus 3. 2 square. 3 square. 9. And cube square. Here is 2. Plus 3 3 are 9. Cube. And 2 square is square of 2. 4. And this will be 27 cube plus we have to write in standard form. We have to write then 3 2 are 6, 6 9 are multiply 3 multiply 9 27 into 2 you multiply it 57 cube square plus after this one 9 4 are 36 cube plus this will be 8 at last because we have to express in what form 9m plus here is 27 54 36 what is the common 9 we need not to take q common we will not q as a common factor please because we have to express only in this form 9m therefore we have to take only 9 common from 2 term 3 term or 4 term any term means here is only we have to take 9 common not q 9 is common then what is left 3 q plus 6 q square plus 4 q plus 8 and this is m and again 9m plus 8 we have to write reason because m equal to 3q cube plus में 6q square plus में 4q this is m and these two you have to do yourself it therefore a cube of any positive integers we can express 9m plus 1 9m plus 8 and this type of question was asked in this year and please be attentive and clear your point and you have to check very short point basic point either it is science or in maths. Now it's over and now complete exercise of 1.1 you have to complete with example. Thank you.